How to use iPhone Roadside Assistance. Step 1. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner. Step 2. Tap the lower right corner of the cellular controls. If you remove the cellular controls, you can also scroll down to the very bottom of the Control Center. Step 3. Tap Satellite. Step 4. If you have no cellular or Wi-Fi service, this will launch the Connection Assistant. Otherwise, the satellite button will say, "Not available." And the only option you will have is, "Try Demo." Step 5. This screenshot is the Connection Assistant demo, but in a real-world situation, it will look mostly the same as the demo. Step 6. Tap Roadside Assistance. In a real-world situation, you will be able to request roadside assistance for a variety of issues, such as being locked out, flat tires, or your car not starting.